remind me. Okay, recording. Where is the guy? Elsa. Elsa, do you want Elsa Caballero? Yes or no?
Yes, Professor.
Okay, super. Extra credit for Elsa. No. Any student. I say Elsa porque I saw Elsa, the face. Pero any student. Okay, let's move in. Do you see whiteboard?
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. Let's move on. And the email guy send the link of the Skype. I send also one package in PDF, no? Que es the package we are doing now. For example, let's focus it in the question one. Super easy. Look at that. Determine whether the ordered pair a solution for the equation. Oh no. Okay, basically the idea, of course, we are doing without graphic, but the idea, geometrical idea is we have a line, it's giving a line, bond, okay, in this problem number one is x plus y equal 9. This represents the line. Of course, this line is expressed in standard. Okay, no problema. I need to determine si the given point is 3,6 belong or not to the line. O sea, my question is here, no belong. Is here, yes, belong. Entonces, do the graph? No, not necessary. The super fantastic way to verification this is plugging in. So you plug it in. I know 3,6. So x is 3, y is 6. Plug it in. 3 plus 6 is equal 9, and you claim this statement. Of course, it's true. It's true. Therefore, the answer is yes. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so we continue, and you help me a little bit. And the number 2 problem, the given point is 8,5, semicolon, and the linear of equation is 16. Es obvio que no? Because 8 plus 5 is not 16, it's 13. It's a completely false statement. And the answer is no. The answer is no. Okay, easy. Everyone follow me?
Yeah.
Okay. And number 3, the point is 3,2. And the line is x minus y equal 9. Es obvio que no, because 3 minus 2 never is 9, it's 1. Completely false. And the answer is no. Number 4 is the point 3,3, and the line is 4x plus y equal 15. Oh, I believe que yes, because 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. Wow, cool. 15 equal 15. It's true statement. That means this point belongs to this. The answer is yes. And number 5 is 3,4. And the equation is given is 3x plus 5y equal 29. Well, multiplication. It's obvious que yes also, because 3 times 3 is 9, and 5 times 4 is 20. So it's 9 plus 20 is 29, 29 equal 29, and the story. True. Therefore, yes. Any questions so far? Everyone follow me or no?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
Yes.
Okay, now we're focusing 100% in the graphic part. The graphic part, we have 2 possibilities. Using the idea of the wrong and right, or using the intersecting. Let me explain the intersecting. Okay. You say, oh, no, I learned only one. No, because sometimes happen. Okay, the intersecting is complicated because it's a huge number and you don't see clear and the graphic is provide. No. Entonces now you need to learn everything. Do the graph by hand using roll and rise. So 1 point and roll and rise slow or intersect. Let me explain intersect. It's super easy. For example, the question 6 say x plus y equal 4. And immediately I create like a table like that. X, y, and x comma y. See, I make a decision, do the graph using intersecting. I create 0 and 0 here because the intersecting is the point in which the line crossing the axis. And when you crossing the axis, at least one component is 0. See, x is 0, well, so you find the y intercept. See, y is 0, you find the x intercept. And you just plugging in into the formula. So you plug in 0 here, 0 plus y equal 4. Es obvio que y es 4. So y is 4, and the famous point is the point 0, 4. And similar, likewise, x plus 0 is equal 4, x is equal 4, and the famous point is 4, 0. Done, ready. We are ready to do this problem. I take my rectangular coordinate system. Okay, by the way, guys, I want to show you after the fantastic way to do this without paper, because we have software for doing this. Everyone in the United States of America, 21st century, doing the graph of the line or the curve using software. But no, today I don't want to explain. Today I am doing by the antique way. Okay, I plot this point. Yeah, I plot this point. 4, 0 is here. Let me use red color. Yes or no? And 0,4 is this. No, I use my rule. You connecting this point. Boom. And doing well? Yeah, suppose he is. No? Let me see. Yeah. A ver, let me make a zoom to see more clear. And this is corresponding with the auction bid, huh? I guess so. Cool? Okay, this is the only way to do that? No. No. Another possibility of doing this is using roll and rise. Okay, let's do it exactly the same example, but you don't need to do both ways. If you are doing only one, you are doing well, you finish. But I am teacher, I want to emphasize the other way to do that. Suppose that I need to do the same problem using roll and rise. Therefore, mandatory, you change this equation that is already expressed at the beginning in standard. No. I want to express it in a slow in a set. So I use so for y. So y alone is equal, I move x to the right hand side, minus x plus 4. When you see clear like a water, y is equal mx plus b, que b is 4. Therefore, that represents the y in a set, que is 0, 4. This is not surprise for us because we found here. Okay, now slope m is -1, invisible. Entonces, si slow es -1, the interpretation is wrong and right. But, Professor, this is no fraction. Okay, no problem. It's a whole numbers. However, you need to know that any whole number, the denominator default is 1. So wrong is 1 and right is a -1. So you plot first. Suppose no table, no intersecting, no nothing now. I plot 0,4. I did that. There's the y-intercept set. Let me using another color. Let me using green. I plot this point. Another approach. And from this point, I'm moving wrong and right. Wrong is 1. Wrong is always positive to the right. That you move from this point to the right. Wrong. This is wrong. And right is -1. So this -1 is 1 down. And you get this point. By the way, this point is the point 1,3. How do you know get 3? Because it's 4, I go down 1 unit, it's 4 minus 1 is 3. And you connect in this point with the line, and we get exactly the same graph of the line. Equation. Cool?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, no problema. Okay, let's move on to another example. Maybe you are boring because we are doing too much example of this, but it's okay. I don't need that. Okay, I erase this because I am using. I suppose that this is the next page. Let me see in my paper, in my document. Yes. Okay, we are doing the graph of this. In this case, when I take advantage, okay, in the problems, in the given problems, the equation of the line is expressed in a slow intercept because y is isolated. Okay, I appreciate so much. Okay, you give me a favor and express it in that way. Okay, so now interpretation of this is slow is 1, positive 1 is the coefficient invisible here, and b is -3. Therefore, I have 1 point, it's giving 1 point, is the point 0, -3, always is 0, guy. Why is 0? Because it's a y-intercept. That point lie on the y-axis. Therefore, it's 0, b, and b is -3 in that way. Just immediately, I plot that point. 0, -3 is on y-axis because it's a y-intercept, no? It's obvious, right? Yeah, I plot that. Now, slow is positive 1. Si es positive 1, I know slow positive is over. Entonces, si slow is 1, es because the ratio right is wrong equal 1, positive 1, whole number, so both are 1. Wrong is 1, right is 1. From this point, I focus here. 1 to the right. Always wrong is positive. It's to the right, and in this case, right is positive. It's here. Over. This segment green represent wrong and right. Now ready to make a graph. Let me try to increase this using my rule. -45 I suppose. There you go. You know, it's graphic. And graphic always is approximation. No accuracy, no 100% true. But it's a good. It's one image is much better than 1,000 words to understand this. This is the graph, and we compare, of course, in the test on paper they will send in your corresponding moment. It's not multiple choice. In the practice, yes. So now it's obvious. It's obvious. It's obvious. What do you think? What is the option that you consider good? A, B, C, or D?
A.
Absolutely. You are the best.
I have a question.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
For the run over rise, did you say it was 1 over -1? I didn't hear.
Well. Actually, look. Let me try to explain it. This. The interpretation is look. Slow is -1. A +1. Sorry. Yes or no? In this example, no.
Yeah.
Therefore, I know the definition. Slow is the ratio between wrong and right. This allows me identification super easy que wrong is 1. Positive, no? And right is also 1. Because this is no fraction, this is whole number. Default, I suppose the denominator of any whole number is 1. Now right is 1, wrong is 1. So from the famous intersecting point, I'm moving like stairs in this. Right, wrong, or either way. Some people, I say some students prefer right first, wrong secondly, but it doesn't matter. You get the same point. Right is 1, so 1 over. Look at that. Let me use in red color. Okay. 1. Right. I did right and wrong. Is this. And you get the second point. So when you have 2 points, I finish. Because the only thing you should do is take the rule and do the line. Clear, miss?
Yes, thank you.
Let's continue. Let's continue. We did that. Okay, cool. Let me erase this part. And erase this part. And erase this part. Okay. Let me try the next page. The next page is. Let me see if it's this one. Oh, no. No. It's 11. Now let me see. Maybe it's this. No. And I tried to make a screenshot of this. But don't worry. I lost. I follow it for my paper. I have here in front of me. Okay, the next example is y equal x minus 3. I did that, no? Y equal x minus 3. Yeah, I did that. Hello.
Yeah, you did that one already.
Yeah. So now the next is y equal 3x minus 3. Okay, in the paper represent number 8. Okay. I appreciate so much. Que give me in slow and set. Entonces I detecting immediately que slow is 3 and b is -3. Therefore, the y and z is the point 0, -3. Okay, so I go to the graph and I plot this point. The rest is graphic part. Okay, red color. I like red. I plot this one. Okay, and one more time. Slow 3 and slow 3 represent the ratio between right and wrong. Okay, but 3 is a whole number. Therefore, the right is 3 and wrong is 1. Si es fraction, entonces you take the denominator and the numerator. in this case a whole number, entonces the whole number denominator is always 1. Entonces now, wrong is 1, identification, and right is 3, positive. That's mean que our line is going up. Okay, entonces I focus in the graphic part, 1 to the right, let me use red color, and 3 over. 1, 2, 3. Wow, by coincidence, this new point lie on the x-axis. By curiosity, let's do it after using the table of the intersecting, because I need to practice. Okay, to say you take the second point, the rest is rule, and connect it both points with the rule. Try to find the angle. Keep connecting both points perfectly. You know, a little bit, maybe. Okay, ready. This is my graph. Boom. And this graph look like, again, auction A. See, it's an auction A. And the auction is given. Suppose que another student dice, bueno, professor, always wrong and right now. We are doing this way. Curiosity. X, Y, X, Y, 0 is 0. So this idea is using intersecting. I'm plugging it into the original equation. Okay, so you're plugging in x0 here. We try. Y is equal to 3 times 0 minus 3. 3 times 0 is 0. Entonces the answer is minus 3. Minus 3, and the famous point is 0, minus 3. Okay, obviously is this. Okay, get with the another way. Now the y0, plugging in 0 here. So now I take the original equation, I replace y for 0. I try to do my best for solving this linear equation, similar to the thing we are doing last time. So either way, you, for example, you move this -3 to the left, like a positive, and divided by 3, because my goal is solve for x. 3 divided by 3 is 1, therefore 1 is equal x. I put a 1 here, and the point is 1, 0. Yeah, I plot this point. Boom. 2 point, we connected this. Entonces, now, I don't want to ask you what method you prefer. No. You need to know both. And what is the best way? The best way is the way more specification adapting to the our problem. So depends on the example. Suppose you make a decision. Oh, I like so much this way. Okay, you are doing your table, but however, when you get the intersecting, the answer is -500. Wow, this is too below here. I guess it's no, I cannot do the graph of this. Okay, now the fantastic way is depending on the problem. All right. However, in the practice of today, sometimes switching is saying, no, I want X, Y, and Z, or no. Or no. All right. Entonces, forget about this paper. We just confuse the order, it's too much. I have a paper on my desk. So now we're doing number 9. Okay, number 9 is 2x. Okay, let me use another. 2x minus y equal to. Wow, I need to make a decision. What do you recommend the guy to do? Using a inner set or wrong arise? Because actually the equation is given in the problem is standard. So you try to classify what kind of equation it is. It's a linear, no? Of course, but this is ax plus by equals c. So somebody, not me, grouping the equation or manipulate the equation like that. You put a variable in the left, you put a number in the right. Es obvio que A es 2, es obvio que B is -1, and it's obvio que C is 2. So this is standard, right? So what do you recommend me doing by inner set or wrong arise?
Inner set.
Inner set. I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. But not necessary, guys. Depending on the problem. Let's see if it works or doesn't work. Okay, I highly recommend do this table. This table is easy. Contain 3 columns, X, Y, and the combination both. And you put 0 here and 0 here. I'm plugging in, row by row into the equation. Row 1 is 2 times 0 minus y equal to 2 times 0 is 0 minus y equal to, but I need no negative y. I need positive y divided by -1 both sides, or multiplied by -1. It doesn't matter. Y is -2. And we have the famous point 0, -2. And by the way, this is y itself. Okay, let me try here. Blue, pero deja blue. 0, -2. I plot that. Boom. Blown. Okay, now 0 and y. 0 and y is easy. It's 2x minus 0 equal to. You replace this value 0 and y. Entonces 2x is equal 2 divided by 2. X is equal 1 here, and the point is 1,0. Let me try to do my best. Is the point 1,0. 1,0 here. Now the rest is using the rule and connection. But let me make it zoom to see more clear. I'll try to using the correct angle. Yeah, approximately like that. Let me see. See, I believe in this case is the option B. Is the option B. Okay, guys, let me take advantage of this moment and explain one fantastic way to do the graph. Not necessarily doing by hand, so not using the software. Do you see before Desmos or no? In high school? Never?
Yes.
Yes. Karen is a Des. Okay. So now, here in college, we can do the graph. I encourage you do any graph. No, Mike, Michelle Peñalver said no. You see now, Michelle. Now, I want to explain. So what's the idea, guys? The idea is we have a fantastic graphic calculator online, free and beautiful. It's hard to find in this country, no? One thing is free and also is beautiful. Okay, it's available for everyone. So my recommendation is doing the graph using Desmos. I want to show you how you take a picture or no screenshots, you know. Desmos allow you to download the image of the graphic we are doing, convert to the image format, and you send me attaching the text and the story. Okay. Entonces, no print, no ink, only image. Okay. And beautiful. Let me show you Desmos. I want to open. You change the background. I don't like this background. View. I like. Oh, let me see. I'm confusing now. Somebody grid view. Yeah, there you go. This is the work I like. Okay. Let me see. Let me open. I open my Google Chrome browser. Okay, I go to the Desmos SECS Desmos.com calculator. Desmos.com. Of course, I create my account. I recommend that you create your own account. Let me share the screen, guys, to see Desmos. Okay. Stop sharing, no, share, switching to the Desmos calculator. Boom. Do you see Desmos? Yes or no?
Yes.
No?
No.
Okay. Let's wait.
I see it.
Do you see?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. The problem is that they are so delayed. But see, everyone saw that. I am ready to explain exactly the same example that we were doing before. So you don't care in the decimal. Does everyone saw that or no? Yes or no?
I don't see it. I see it like.
I can't see it either.
You see what? You see the whiteboard?
No.
No.
What do you say? What do you see?
I see it.
Oh, I see like we are on a stone stage or something like that, like in the stairs.
Same.
Me too.
Okay, let me try again. Okay, somehow I need to stop sharing. Okay, now I switch into Desmos screen. Boom, I present to you. Okay, in this moment the sky say okay, this is sharing for everyone. Do you see or no?
I see it.
No, I don't see it.
Don't see it yet.
I went under view and changed it to content view so I would be able to see what he's sharing.
I did that. I did that. Well, entonces, bueno, okay.
I see it now.
Oh, entonces es some delay, ¿no? Que you need, okay. Because your internet miss is no good, or yes, your internet.
We need to change the view to speaker view.
Speaker view, yes. Speaker view. Okay, ready. We are ready. Look, we are doing again repetition. The other problem we are doing, I don't remember very well. Let me see. Yeah, I remember now. Okay, two Desmos. Okay, in Desmos, I don't care. Standard form, slow in the form, no. You put in the form gets given in the problem. Okay, we can use it if you want the keyboard, specific keyboard for Desmos. I type in here 2x minus y equal to. Boom. And you see the line. Do you see the line?
Yes.
Yes.
See the line in red color.
Yes.
If you want to change the color, you click in this icon in the same line of the equation. You hold the left click in the mouse and you select the color you prefer. I prefer blue. Okay, entonces now another possibility can give me Desmond. Give me a lot of possibility. You click on the line and you see a small gray value que represent the intercept because Desmos understand that this is important points 1,0 and 0, negative. Just in case in the test I don't want this way. You see, but in other line, so you click here, you press in your keyboard enter to select another line. You put the points. The point is 1,0. I put a label to identification, comma, separate by comma, any point. If you want in the same column, because in the same graph. And the second point was 0, negative. Oh, do you see beautiful? Do you like that?
Yes.
All right, now I did that. How I send the answer for the teacher and the one? Okay, let me try to remember. You press here. Here is share the graphic. Okay, and you print something, I suppose. Yeah. Oh no, export. You export. Look at that, and you download like this format. Okay, this format is the image. You save in your hard drive, and when you send me the solutions for the test, you attach this image. Okay, and you investigate this. You have medium, bold. Oh, no, I don't like a medium. I like much better. Maybe you using your common sense in the aesthetic part. Okay, and this middle square or big square. No, I don't like this. Okay, but I don't want to export anything now. So far, leave it like that. Entonces I want to show you more. I want to show you more in Desmos. Look at that, fantastic. Pay attention. Look, I click here in this plus. And you include a folder. And you put a name of the folder. For example, this is the example number 9, no? In my study guide, example 9. Example 9. I put it here, example 9. So example 9 include the line. So you take this row, you click in the left click of the mouse, and you hold and drag, and you see how automatically create a line que represent the link que this and this statement belong to this example 9. Y I can expand or no, or condense it in only one. And you put able or unenable, because I want to create in the next problem another folder, que is example, let me see, number 10. Example, no, 10. Okay? Entonces, I recommend also que you create your own account, very easy, in Desmos. As always happen, you open Desmos, entonces you sign in, and you create a username and password. You using the same credentials maybe of the Alex, or you define your credential, username and password. You know, que this, when I open this, this is say Jorge, because I am Jorge, right? Entonces, when I save that, I save in my account. Now, the work you are doing, not only, guys, in this subject, sino in the next subject, que I suppose que you take with me also, que es called algebra, que is after the 8-week, because this is combo class, okay? In one semester you take 2. I don't know if you, everyone is enrolled with me or no, using the same account. Okay, now let's do it number 10, but no by hand anymore, sino using Alex. Number 10, say x minus y equals 7. You copy that. X minus y. I use it now, no specifically keyboard of Desmos. I use my own keyboard I have in my hand here. X minus y equal 7. Green color. This is my line. And the intercept is 7,0 and 0,-7. Okay. I like to, because I want, when I send to the professor, I want to send in an elegant way 7,0. But I want everyone in green color in this example. I change the color, comma. The other guy is 0,-7. You have my beautiful, elegant graphic. Okay, you want to convert it to PDF, you know, click here, export, fantastic, the best. Now, if you want, you contraction, condensing this, and put enable, we move on to the next problem. Do you think it's easy? Do you think it's easy?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone follow me. Everyone understand very well. Now not necessarily you practice now. No, you remember this is recording, and when you're watching the video, my recommendation is the student can never working with the Desmos. You open your Desmos, you create your account in Desmos. Not necessarily to have account, but I recommend. Okay, but you open your Desmos and you practice. It's super easy. Let's do it one more. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11 is another folder. What's the name of this folder? Example 11. Example 11. Oh, but I don't like this. I can't move. Look, I can drag. You put it in order, no? 9, 10, 11, no? Okay, this is not important. Okay, now you press enter to create one new line. And you put equation, and the equation for 11 is x plus y equals 4. X plus y equal 4. On red color. Randomly, Desmos select the color. But see, I like the color. It's okay, no problem. I click on the line. I see, wow, 0,4 and 4,0. It's the intercept. Okay. Is there was application chat? No. It's in. No. You go to the Google Chrome, the browser that we are using, or what is the other? What is the other browser? It's a student can have a Apple computer. I don't remember the name. And
Safari.
you open Safari. Thank you. Safari. Well, you. Okay, no necessarily download anything. This is the cloud. So when you create an account, no, Michelle. You open your browser, you put desmos.com, open, and you say immediately, but no, don't try now. Any doubt, any question you have after you communicate with me, I try, no? Only
I'm
watch.
sorry, Professor. This is just a group chat for the class. That's what he's asking.
I understand. I understand.
All right.
Okay. Now, what is the intersect? I don't remember. The intersect was 4,0. And use a label, comma, 0,4. Beautiful. But I like the same color. Red. Either way, guys, this is up to you. This is your skill in art. You say, no, the different color is much better for me. Okay. And we finish example 11. Do you think it's too easy? Example 12. We continue doing graphing linear equation using intersecting. And the equation is given, you know, in standard or no. Okay. Further, example 12. Enter. The equation in 12 is 2x minus y equal 4. This is purple color, no? And the point is 0,-4, and the point is 2,0. Okay, I put in the other line the point separately, of course. 2,0, 2,0. Of course, label, same color, purple color. There you go. Comma. Where's the other? Okay, forgot. 0,-4, no? 0,-4. Cool. Any question, guy? You follow me? Or you are totally lost?
Yep.
Follow me.
Yes.
Okay. Let's do 13 in our package. Okay. I like in this order. Example 13. Okay. And the examples of 13, we have 2x plus y. 2x plus y equal to. There you go. Okay. The intersect, let me make a zoom, is 1,0 and 0,2. Okay. Let me try. 1,0, parenthesis, 1,0. Okay.
Mr. Tabata,
Say again?
Mr. Tabata, I can't see what you're sharing.
No?
No.
You have to change the view to
Speaker view, no?
speaker view or
Speaker.
content view.
I see it.
Excellent. Little by little, I don't know anything about this. Okay, you help me. The student help me to understand. Comma. The second is 0,2. Let me change the color to the color you prefer. Red color, maybe. Yeah, put available. Available. This is my line. Beautiful line. 13. Okay, beautiful. Guys, I am doing this exactly the same problem of the packet. Do you follow for the packet? No, do you have, no? I say
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Okay, I open new folder. This is example 14. Okay, put it in the same order. I press enter. automatically when you press enter after the folder you create, yeah, this line is connecting directly to this. So the 14 is 3x minus y. Okay, cool. Okay, purple color. And the intercept are 2,0 and 0,6. Okay, okay. Paréntesis 2,0 and comma paréntesis 0,6 and purple color, everyone. This is my graph of the example 14. Are you boring to do this or not? We have 15, 16, 17, wow. 19, 20. Well, this is another thing. But okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Today is the day to do the graph. So now 15. And then again, another folder, 15, example 15, 1.5. Let me drag, put it in order, enter. Now it's x minus 2y equal to x minus 2y equal to, wow. Okay, I'm boring to red color. Let me switch into the, do you like orange? It's okay, orange? To change, you know. And the intercept are 2,0 and 0,1. This is 0, comma 2, -1. Cool. Label to see more clear, and orange color everything. Linear equation, guys, we are doing super nice and super quickly. Let me ask a question. You are doing, you only watching, or you open Desmos and start doing in Desmos? No. Yes or no?
Yes, I am doing Desmos.
Wow. And you are doing well like me?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Ah, amazing. No, it doesn't matter. The student who can do that, I appreciate, but not necessary. After you can. Remember, you can study, no? And now you try to pay attention and try to understand the situation. After, well, okay. After you are learning, no? Because this is the college, no? In the college, we need to learn every day. You study every day. Okay, 16. 16. Okay. 16 is 2x minus 3y equal 12. Okay. Does in that case happen? We have a little bit huge number, and now my line is the intercept in this case 6,0 and 0,34. 6,0. 0, negative. Excellent. I like that. 17. Oh, I like 17. You know how we are doing a lot of problems, super nice and super fast and really easy. See, we are doing by hand. We lost time doing this. Okay, 17 say 3x plus 4y plus, sorry, plus 4y equal 16. Okay, this is a line. And the intercept are in, look, it's 5,3333. This is the only disadvantage of decimals. Okay, when it's a fraction, I want to solve in here in the board to see this problem 17. 5.3333 in decimal and 4. Actually, 5.1333 is equivalent to, say, 5 1/3. And 5 1/3 is 16 over 3. Don't make it sense. So in order to write the intercept, I put a parenthesis, I put 16 over 3 against 5.3333, right? Comma 0. Good. And the y-axis is 0.4. Do you follow me? Do you understand very well where I come from the 5.3333? Or no? No?
Yes, yes, we are.
It's weird. No, it's not weird. Let me switch again to the whiteboard. Let's solve it by hand, this problem. Remember, Desmos is a complement. Desmos is not everything. Because in the test on paper, well, you put it here, but I want to see where I come from this number, no? So now, let me come back to the whiteboard. Okay. Whiteboard over there. Do you see whiteboard now? Oh no. Yes.
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 Cool.
Yes.
I want to erase something because there are too much information here. Okay, so the problem we're doing now was, let me see here, is 3x. Wow, I don't like this. Okay, 3x plus 4y equal 16. Okay, and the one that you are doing using intersecting, immediately I do my famous table to organize this word. Some people say, no, I don't need the table, professor. Okay, I respect. However, I didn't teach it, thus I explain the systematic way, no? That is the reason. So in order to find the first row, que es x equals 0, you're plugging in this 0 here. Entonces 3 times 0 is 0. Entonces my equation is reduced like a 4y equals 16. Divided by 4, because my goal is solve for y, y4. And the famous point is the point 0,4, que represent the y-intercept. Now, in order to find the second point, we plug in y0 here, and my equation is now 3x equals 16 because y0 here disappear the y part, and now divided by 3, x is equal 16 over 3, and you understand very well now where I come from 16 over 3, The point is 16 over 3,0. Oh, Desmos say, bueno, Desmos never working with the fraction. Well, no, never, but frequently. Entonces now 16 divided by 3 es 5. 15 subtraction is 1. Entonces 1, 5, 1/3. This one is this one, and this 3 is this 3. I suppose that you know how perfectly conversion in proper fraction to mixed number, right? No problema. Uy. No problema. How we convert?
Hello, sir.
What happened? What's going on? Okay. Okay. Do you understand very well 17 problem?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me try again to go to the Desmos. Switching to Desmos. Do you see Desmos? Oh no. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Well, in this problem, I want to change the color to blue. Everything is blue. I suppose it's the same color because it's belong to the graph, no? And the graph, I make a decision to create blue graph. So now you condensing and you put on a label, and now 17. This was 17, no? Oh yeah, I make a mistake here. 17. Now ready. 18. Example 18. Example 18, I have here. We have y equal, in this case, determine the slope on the y-axis set. So they want you are doing the graph. Okay, I understand. However, they want you to determine more information. And the more information is determine slope and determine the y-axis set. Es obvio in the problem 18 que is y equal, so I copy, in this one I copy the equation exactly the same is given. No modification, no standard, no slope in the set. No. You copy S slope in the set. Okay, I copy slope in the set. -7. However, I know that my answer is that graph. Nice. I appreciate it so much. But they want to give you know what is the slope. It's so because the slope is 4 because n is 4. And the y-axis set is the famous point 0, -7. Can you see here? Look. There you go. This is the y-axis set, and also its slope is 4. Okay, so now you copy here now 0, -7. No. Black column. Label is important for me now, and they don't want the x in a set case a little bit weird. It's 1.75, but it's okay because you create y0 and solve the equation. The answer is 7/4, and 7/4 is 1.75. Cool.
Yes.
No question. Let's do one couple more and stop for today. Friday we continue the most important and complicated part. But this chapter is super easy. I suppose that everyone get 100 points in this chapter. This chapter is about this. Linear equation and graphic linear equation in 2 dimensions. Okay, it's x1. Okay. Now 19. Okay, you know, this is important. The decimal is important because now it's easy. You can do by hand, but I want in one part of the knowledge chapter, The second chart, I complicate a little bit your life because you have two equations. Then you need to find solution that they intersecting so you see clear geometrically. Or more complicated when it's inequality, que it's not exactly one point or one line, sino it's a region. Entonces I need to overlap the region. Entonces it's complicated. In the piece of paper it's very complicated, and Desmo is super easy. Okay. Now, example 19. Example 19 say y equal negative 3x plus 7. It's obvious. Look in the equation. Que the slope is negative 3. So m is negative 3. That is the reason our line, our green line, que you see now, is going down. No? So when you're walking, remember, from left to right, the y value is going down. It's because the slope is negative. Doesn't make sense. A decreasing function. Now, and the famous y-intercept is the point 0,7. There you go. Look at that. 0,7. Yeah, I don't care too much the y-intercept because it's decimal. And doing by hand that graph is much better doing in the wrong and right. So you compute the y-intercept, plot that, boom. And from this point, you walking 1 to the right and 3 down. Tum, tum, tum. Let me show you. So you have the famous point, que is the point 0,7, que is the famous green color, everyone, y-intercept. And you obtain, know this point is weird. No, you know, this is a disadvantage sometimes of the intercept. But you obtain a second point, que is you walking the wrong is 1 and the right is negative 3. Is the point 1,4. Where come from this 4? Because it's 7 minus 3 is 4. Let me try. I don't know if I did well or not. 1,4, no? I say 4, right? Bam. Do you see that this point belongs to the graph? What is the reason? The reason is that we from 7, wrong is 1, and right is negative 3. 1, 2, 3. And you get this point, not necessarily this point, because we are. Because this is the x-intercept. This is auxiliary point can help me to understand the graph. Okay, in this case, the graph look like down. This is the option D. Slope is negative 3, and the x-intercept is 0,7. Do you understand very well this or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
One more.
Yes.
One more, and that's it. Guys, my recommendation is start as soon as possible. Alex, when you are doing this, do you have any question? Communicate with me by email. Remember, take a screenshot of the problem I want to explain. I try to do in 5 seconds. I send back the solution. Another possibility is you want to see my face Friday at 12 noon to 5 p.m. in the STEM lab. Do you know where is the STEM lab? It's in the building D, no? So everyone is you always take the class in Haunted Campus, or you are on another campus? Haunted Campus, everyone.
I am another campus.
No.
I am in Homestead.
Well, okay. The students that are familiar with the Haunted Campus, you can see in person. Oh, no. Well, if you want to travel, it's okay. But no, this is another campus. Another campus, entonces my recommendation is Everything communicated by email because it's online class, right? This is the beauty of the online, but what is the disadvantage of the online? Online is good for the dedicated students. Some students, you know something, guys, don't send me diagnostic tests. Of course, I put 0 because the due date it was tomorrow, yesterday, sorry. Now I put 0. Entonces now, September 2nd, que es the due date, si I see that you don't send me anything, I put 0. Say, Professor, sorry, I forgot. Well, no, okay. I understand one time or maybe 2 times. Or you are sick, you communicate with me your problem. What is the reason that you don't finish your assignment on time, right? No, today, no. Michael Lopez, look, I want to explain one more time my organization. You open homework number 1 in Alex, and you working, right? This is due September 2nd. And anytime you feel strong, you open test number 1 online, associated with the homework number 1. And this is due September 2nd. And in one moment, I suppose que is next week, I will send the test, the reading test, the test on paper. This is different because you are solving in the piece of paper, you take a picture or scan. I prefer scan in PDF because it's more clear to see here in my computer and send me back. Okay, so now after the test, September 2nd, we start new chapter, new complication, and this is history. I forgot linear equation and today, okay. Professor, do you have a worry about the initial? No. Initial knowledge check is one thing que create Ali to make a tools about. You skip that. You see, you have time, you are doing, but no, I don't care. I care the homework. You see, this homework I create for you. This is my assignment. This is a initial knowledge check, no good, no important. It's good, but no important. Last example, 20. 20, say.
So we have to do the test and the homework before, like on our own before September 2nd?
Absolutely, miss.
Okay.
2x plus 3y. Say again.
Excuse me?
No. Somebody say something to say again.
Professor? Do we get extra credit if we do the pretest?
No. The pre-test, no. But the homework, yes. So you are doing the homework. Listen. I need to repeat several times the information. The homework.
Do we have to do the pretest?
No, it's okay. So you are doing the homework. And you get a score greater than 80%, you have 10 extra points in the online test. And if you subscribe in my YouTube channel, you have 5 extra points in each reading test in the corresponding chat. Okay, so the extra point is doing the homework and subscription in the YouTube channel. And
we send you a screenshot that we subscribed?
Yeah. No. See, you did. You send me. I copy in one piece of paper. It's a student, subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah, I included this 5 point extra and the reading test. And the online, no. Online is 10 points for the homework. Clear?
Yes.
Super. Okay. So in this example, it's a little bit complicated because it's 2x plus 3y equal 15. Wow. And they asked me slow and why, and I said, no clear for me. No clear for me. Because this equation is expressed in standard, not in slow and set. Okay? Therefore, I need to do in the piece of paper, but I did in the piece of paper, you solve for y. 2x plus 3y equal 15. So for y, 3y, I do it in my piece of paper, guys, but it's easy. Is minus 2x plus 15 divided by 3, everything. Is minus 2/3 x plus 15 over 3. But if you want, just stop here and we continue next time. Okay? Because the time is almost over, right? Yeah, I have another class after this. So say stop and explain in detail this example 20 next class. Great? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Have a nice day.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.